Welcome to Forge and Flow. As you can see, our state-of-the-art facility is running at peak efficiency, producing thousands of perfect gummies every hour.
Steady.
Manifest and bill of lading, please. Are the goods temperature controlled?
Yes, pre-chilled to 5 degrees Celsius. Here are the documents.
Watch the ramp on dock 3.
Got it. This sugar goes to staging area 2.
Clear behind you.
We take a sample from every batch to ensure it meets the 200 bloom specification.
Okay.
Factory, we ensure only the finest ingredients are used. The sieving process guarantees perfect consistency for our sugar.
Precise flow of glucose syrup, crucial for the gummy bear consistency.
Gummy. The glucose and sugar mixture is brought to a precise temperature, typically around 115 degrees Celsius.
Here in the cooking kettle, the precise blend of sugar and glucose syrup is brought to a roll.
In this extreme close-up, the vibrant lime green mixture is tested. We ensure every batch meets our strict standards for color and viscosity.
The conveyor toward the depositing station, ready for the liquid mixture.
Using a starch mogul, the colorful syrup is deposited into the precisely shaped molds. This ensures consistency in every batch.
Consistency is key, ensuring every bear is the exact size and vibrant color our customers expect. The flow rate on the second mogul seems slightly low.
I just adjusted it. It should stabilize now. The gauge is reading 10 Celsius.
I see that. Logging the conveyor speed adjustment now.
Temperature.
Once the 40 cartons are loaded, the automatic
Is stabilized. We have a consistent flow rate through the cooling zone.
The destarching machine gently tumbles the freshly molded bears, separating them from the cornstarch for recycling.
The high-pressure air blower removes the final dusting of cornstarch, revealing the vibrant, glossy surface beneath.
Once coated in carnauba wax, the bears enter the polishing drum, achieving that signature high-gloss finish.
Easy now, center it up.
Got it. It's locked in place.
After fill inspected before moving to the next stage of the process.
System tightly wraps the pallet, protecting the vibrant gummy bears inside.
The stretch film is applied under high tension, protecting the consistency of our signature gummy bears during transit.
Ensure the batch number is clearly visible on the label before it goes out.
This video has been created for educational purpose using AI tools. The script and ideas have been inspired by publicly available information and competitor concepts and have been rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations have been generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing has been done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other creator's content. This video is for informational purpose only and does not present AI visual as real footage.